Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you click send on a message or open a website? In less than a second, your request travels across cities, countries, and even oceans, then comes back with exactly the information you asked for. It all starts the moment you make a request on your device. When you type a website address or send a message, your computer or phone converts that information into binary, ones and zeros, and then breaks it into small pieces called packets. Each packet contains a small portion of your data, the destination address, the sender's address, and instructions for reassembly, like sending a large book in many labeled envelopes. For your data to know where to go, it needs an address, which is where the IP address or Internet Protocol address comes in. Every device connected to the Internet has an IP address, working just like a home address, telling the network where to deliver information. When you type a name like a website URL, your device first contacts the domain name system, or DNS, which acts like the Internet's phone book, translating that human-readable name into a numerical IP address. Once your packets are ready, they leave your device and head to your router, which acts like a traffic controller in your home or office network, directing the packets toward your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, the company that connects you to the global Internet. After leaving your ISP, your data enters the global Internet backbone, a massive network of high-speed fiber optic cables connecting cities, countries, and continents. These cables transmit data using pulses of light, and many of them run underground or even on the ocean as submarine cables, meaning your message might literally travel across the ocean floor. Along the journey, your packets don't take just one straight path. Instead, they pass through many powerful routers around the world. Each router reads a destination IP address and decides the best next route, similar to how GPS finds the fastest road, constantly calculating the most efficient path and sometimes sending different packets along different routes, which may cause them to arrive at slightly different times. Eventually, your packets reach their final destination, the server, which is a powerful computer that stores websites, applications, and data. When your request arrives, the server processes it, finds the information you asked for, breaks the response into new packets, and sends them back across the network to you. When those packets arrive at your device, your computer collects them and reassembles them in the correct order using the packet instructions, even if they arrived out of sequence, rebuilding the original message so your web page, video, or message appears on your screen in milliseconds. However, speed can vary depending on your internet connection, network congestion, the distance from the server, and server performance. The delay you sometimes experience is called latency. In just seconds, your data travels from your device to your router, through your ISP, across global fiber optic cables, through multiple routers, to a server and back again. The internet may seem like magic, but it is actually a carefully engineered system that allows data to move across the world almost instantly. And now you understand how it truly works.